Hello, my friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm so happy to see you here. Today, in this video, we are going to learn English with a special technique called shadowing. Now, you might be wondering what is shadowing. Let me explain. Shadowing is when you listen to someone speaking in English and try to repeat what they say, exactly how they say. It helps you improve your pronunciation and even your listening skills. So, let's shadow this story together. I'll read slowly and clearly. Try to repeat after me to improve your English speaking, listening, and pronunciation. Let's begin the story. I'm at the airport right now and I feel so excited. Today is the day I'm flying to New York City for the first time. I have my ticket, my passport, and my bags. Everything is ready. I arrive at the check in desk and hand my ticket to the lady. She smiles and says, "Here is your boarding pass. You are in seat 17C. Have a good flight." "Thank you," I reply. A window seat. Perfect. I love looking out of the window when I fly. I go through security. It takes forever. The line is so long. But finally, I make it through and reach gate 23. I sit and wait to board the flight. After some time, I hear the announcement. Flight 567 to New York City is now boarding. Please line up by group number. My heart races. This is it. I walk onto the plane looking for my seat 17A. But when I get there, someone is already sitting in it. A man in a blue jacket is looking out of the window. I feel nervous, but I speak up. "Excuse me, sir. I think this is my seat." He looks surprised. "Oh, are you sure? Let me check my ticket." He takes out his ticket and says, it says 17A. I think this is my seat." Now I'm confused. I quickly take out my ticket and showed the man confidently. "See, my ticket also says 17A." He looks at my ticket, then smiles kindly and says, "Okay, no problem. You can take the seat. I'll sit in the middle." I feel little bad, but I really want the window seat. "Thank you," I say. The plane takes off. I look out of the window. The clouds are so beautiful. I feel happy and relaxed. Then the man next to me starts a conversation. "Are you going to New York for vacation?" he asks. "Yes," I say. "It's my first time. I want to see Times Square and the Statue of Liberty." "That's great," he says. "I live in New York. You will love it. It's a busy city but full of life." As we talk, I notice something. He's not upset about losing the window seat. He's calm and friendly. Later, the flight attendant walks over. "Excuse me," she says, looking at me. "I think there's been a mistake." "A mistake?" I ask, surprised. She checks my ticket, then the seat number. "You're in the wrong seat," she says. "This seat 17A belongs to this gentleman. Your seat is actually 17C." My face turns red. I look at the man. He smiles. "It's okay," he says. "I don't mind the middle seat." I feel so embarrassed. "I'm so sorry," I tell him. "Don't worry about it," he says with a laugh. "Mistakes happen." For the rest of the flight, I keep thinking about how kind he is. He didn't argue, he didn't complain. He just smiled and let me sit there. When the plane lands, I thank him again. You are very kind, I say. Enjoy New York, he replies. And next time, double check your ticket. I laugh and wave goodbye. As I walk out of the airport, I feel a mix of emotions, embarrassment, gratitude, and relief. This trip has already taught me something important. Mistakes are a part of life, and that's okay. What matters most is how we handle them. From this story, we learn to stay calm, be kind, and always double check your ticket. So, keep practicing shadowing like this. You are not just learning English, you are building confidence. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.